Hello plonkers, Daft Scots Lass here. Thought I'd do a wee vlog today about this weekend and just an update on what we've been doing. We've had like a super fucking heat wave today. And so we took the kids to the park. After being there for about an hour and a half, we nearly died of heat stroke. So we came back and now we're sort of sitting, relaxing underneath the fans. It's like 33 degrees out there. It was even hotter in the car. Totally unbearable. So now's the day. I wish that the pool was all fixed up and we could take a dip. Just another thing, I wanted to say a big congratulations to G-Man for winning this week's Caption My photo competition. I really look forward to it every week. I know I've said it before. They make my day, they make my week. I always battle to find a winner for these competitions because they're all so funny. So congratulations again to G-Man. Some of these will be on the way to you. I know this one is a bit broken and whatever, but the ones that you'll receive are not going to be broken. And hopefully you'll send me some photos of you wearing them. That's about it really. We went to Friends yesterday for a braai and the kids swam, so it's really hitting into summer now. Pool weather, which is awesome. Join me tomorrow for Monday Music Moves Me. I'm featuring a whole bunch of blues music this week, which is one of my favourites. So come back, say hi, join the linky, visit Christmas Dolly, share some of your music because I'm really interested to see what other music people come up with, especially when it's freebie weeks. You're not quite sure what to put there. Visiting everybody else kind of jogs your memory about certain songs or certain bands, and then you go and do a wee bit of YouTubing, and usually that sort of gives off even more recommendations and you spend hours searching through and listening to music, which I love doing and I spend quite a lot of time doing it. So looking forward to see what new tunes I can put on my iPod this week from you guys. See you soon. Bye.
You stick around. You figure it out.